Hi everybody and basically welcome back today. You would have seen me plant these sweet peppers about 2 weeks ago, and here are the plants here now. They're doing really well. And I'm actually going to just pop these on into individual pots just for about a week, and then I'll plant them out. I mean, you could plant them out directly like that, but then you know plants will be a bit weak, I think, because you've got to separate the roots. And so just by doing this, it gives them a little week and a half to settle down in these pots, and then we'll plant them straight out into the bed we have ready all prepared down the allotment for us. So I've already given them just a little bit of water, not too much. Oh, that's quite healthy looking roots. We'll just open them up a little bit. And there we go. All got nice healthy roots on them, and I can just pop them individually into these pots about a week and a half, and then they can go straight out into the bed which is already prepared for them down the allotment. Lovely healthy looking plants these are. I've got quite a few to get through as well. I'll be doing these ones later. They're so easy to grow, these sweet peppers, and they look such a lovely on the actual pepper plant, such a lovely looking, I suppose it's a fruit really, I'm not sure. Was it a fruit or a vegetable? Really hard to tell really. But anyway, I know it grows. It looks lovely when it's growing. Gets lots of comments from the old admirers as they walk by, and they are ever so easy to grow. Want a little bit more soil in that one. A bit more soil to all of them, eh? Everything's coming on leaps and bounds down the allotment now. Potatoes are doing really well. I've got most of my cabbages in. All the onions are in. Sweet corn's in, which is good. And I think we're going to have a really good crop of strawberries this year, because there's masses of strawberries coming. And they'll be ready ever so soon. I was down there yesterday, the allotment, and as I got towards my plot, I saw a squirrel run out from the strawberry bed. And on investigation, it had been eating a lot of the strawberries, which is a bit strange. I didn't realise squirrels ate strawberries, but obviously they do. And there's not much you can do on a strawberry bed to keep them out, I suppose, unless you net the whole thing from the ground upwards. I'm so pleased with these, have come out really well. Look at that. One short for the whole tray. But I'm alright because I've got one in that little flower pot there on its own. So I'll just replace that one with that one. Right, so I'll take that one out of there. And there's one. Strange enough, only one grew out of that whole lot. When you look, that was in another pot. That was in another pot. Not one grew on that pot. That's really strange, isn't it? Anyway, I'll put that in there. So that there is a full tray, a little bit of water, just to set them in. So these are going to stay in here for about a week and a half, just for them to get their roots established. Because obviously if you put straight them in the allotment now, they'd be under real stress, especially with this heat. They just curl up and die. I'm sure they would. And there we go. One tray of transplanted sweet peppers. See you next time.